Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Practical session, calorimeter and verify of Beer-Lambert's law. Students, today I will discuss calorimeter. Calorimeter is the most common analytical technique used in biochemical estimations in clinical laboratory. It involves the quantitative estimation of colors. A substance to be estimated calorimetrically must be colored or it should be capable of forming chromogens, colored complex, through the addition of reagents. So students, the colored substance absorb light is relations to their color's intensity. So the color intensity will be proportional to the concentration of colored substance. The instruments used in this the methods are calorimeter or photometers or absorption meters. So the calorimeter principles. Students, when a monochromic lights pass through a colored solution, some specific wavelength of light are absorbed which is related to color intensity. So the amount of light absorbed or transmitted by a color solution in a accordance with the two law, that is the Beer's and Lambert's law. Okay students, so students, the calorimeter is a principle of the monochromic light pass through the colored solutions with the specific wavelength of the light absorbed. Okay, so the related with color intensity. So I note color pass through the calorimetry and absorb sample and concentration of C convert to I solutions path length of V. So the measurement of the calorimeter colors intensity of a colored solutions by photometry in graduated by two laws, Beer's law and Lambert's law. Students, now we verify the Beer's law. Beer's law that the concentration of a substance is directly proportional to amount of light absorbed or inversely proportional to the logarithm of transmitted light. Students, Beer's law are the concentration of a substance is directly proportional to the amount of light absorbed or inversely proportional to the logarithm of transmitted light. A is directly proportional to C. Okay. So students, the Beer's law is when a monochromatic light pass through a colored solution, amount of light transmits decreases exponentially with increases the concentration of colored substance. So that is the amount of light absorbed by the colored solution is directly proportional to the concentration of substance in the colored solutions. Okay, so now we paragraph discussed. So Beer's law increases the absorption and concentration of lights are milligram and milliliters and convert to 0.1 to 100, 0.2 to 200 and 0.3 to 300 and 0.4 to 500 and 0.5 to 600. So increases and transmitted light are increases graph is directly and decreases graph is transmitted and concentrations of lights. So next are Lambert's law. Students, say Lambert's law are the ray of a monochromic lights pass through an absorbing mediums. It is the intensity decreases exponentially as the length of the light path. So the through light absorbing material increases. So A is directly proportional to L. So Lambert's law are the amount of light transmitted decreases exponentially with increases in path length, diameters of the thickness of the colored solution. So the through which is the light passes, that is the amount of light absorbed by the colored solution depend on path length of or thickness of the depth of the colored solutions. So students, Lambert's law I note add in the absorption sample of the solution of the concentration and convert to I and the path length of the V. So students, combine the Beer's and Lambert's law is the things express the amounts of light transmitted through the colored solution decreases the exponentially with increases the concentration of colored solution. So the increases in concentration of colored solution and increases in the path length of the path length or on thickness of the colored solution is Beer-Lambert's law, and that can be explained in diagrams. The light source I note convert to cavity containing absorbing solution in the IS as a photo detector. So the photo detector is the photometry and measure transmitted light to determine reactions absorbance. Okay students, so in this explain the verify of Beer-Lambert's law and Beer-Lambert's combined Beer-Lambert's law, okay, in this calorimetry. Okay, thank you.